The coastal railway, in Danish known as Kystbanen, is the regional railway line from Copenhagen to Elsinore. The punctuality on the coastal line is always a popular topic. The past couple of years there's been a lot of talk about the inconsistent service of the line. There has been a lot of delays and cancellations, and people that use the coastal line daily are not always happy with the service. Due to the problems on the line, there's talk about converting the coastal line from a regional train line to a S-train line. This should increase the capacity on the line and make it possible to run several trains. Today the coastal railway only run passenger trains. The line is operated by DSB, and every year they have approximately 7.5 million passenger travels on the line. The coastal railway is serviced by DSB's electrical fleet of rolling stock, consisting of the ET and the ER trains.
The S train is also operated by DSB, and the fleet of rolling stock consists of SA and SE trains. The C line between Hellerup and Klampenborg has almost 3.8 million passengers per year.
The S train do not have sliding door steps, which makes the time at the station shorter compared to the regional trains. They also have a lot of room for bicycles, trolleys and big luggage compared to the regional trains. The S train can also be operated by only one person, whereas the regional trains are usually operated by two or more. The coastal railway line is 46.2 kilometers long. It's equipped with catenary with 25 kilovolts. The maximum speed limit is 120 kilometers per hour. There's 14 stations on the line and 3 to 5 kilometers between the stations. The line is equipped with an automatic train control system, ATC, which is a block system that keeps track of the line and the trains on it. The S-train line is not as long in that direction, but the S-train network is quite big, 172 kilometers of track to be exact. It also has direct connection to all the suburbs all around Copenhagen. It's equipped with catenary with 1650 volts. The maximum speed limit is 120 kilometers per hour, and almost every S-train line has 1 to 3 kilometers between the stations.
In order to optimize the capacity of the coastal line after the conversion from regional train to S-train, a new signaling system has to be installed. It is the so-called CBTC, which stands for Communication-Based Train Control. The signal system must replace the old block system and instead act as a moving block system. The system works in such a way that a security cabin reports on each train's location on the track via the train's data radio and antennas along the railway. This is synchronized with the passage of balises in the track. The messages are forwarded to the control center in the traffic tower, which optimizes the train's route in relation to other current trains on the track. These data are sent back to the driver on a screen in the cab. In the event of a fallout, the trains can still be controlled by using axle counters and a series of signs along the track. This system will be able to run trains with a much smaller safety distance, and in this way it will be possible to streamline the train operation on the coastal line. In addition to this, a new signaling system will provide a more reliable train operation as well as a high level of safety for the entire rail network.
The SE and SA trains have a higher acceleration rate than both the ER and ET trains, allowing S trains to reach their running speed quicker and in a shorter length of track than regional trains can. Meanwhile, the difference in braking ability between the train types is negligible, giving S trains the clear advantage around stations and changes in track speed limits. And as the S trains in Kystbanen have the same upper speed limits, the S train can run just as well between stations.
The two types of train services are very different in several ways. So is it a good idea to convert the coastal line to S-train? Will it increase the capacity for the line? Will the service be better in all respects? Will the S-train have enough room for the passengers?